Hi ADHD friends, ready to become Gutsy Cooks? Let's start now. Hi Gutsy Cooks, this is a quick microwave recipe and we're going to do this in a new short form video today. First, you're going to gather your ingredients, which are 2 eggs, milk, turkey sausage crumbles, or any vegetarian turkey or traditional sausage as long as it's pre-cooked, some shredded cheese, salt, and a slice of bread. Then you're going to get your microwave safe large mug or bowl or baking dish, depending on how many servings you want to make, a fork, and measuring spoons, which are optional in this video. I think you'll like it. Crack your 2 eggs into your dish and scramble with a fork, counting to 30. You can pause the video here. Next, you're going to add your splash of milk, your small handful or 2 tablespoons of turkey sausage crumbles, and your small handful of cheese or 2 tablespoons. I use mozzarella today because that's what I had in the fridge. You're gonna then do a little wave of your salt shaker, or that's a 1/4 teaspoon of salt at the maximum. Stir it around with your fork and then tear up your piece of bread. Just a little. I like this when I have maybe a loaf of bread that nobody's eaten or that's started to go bad. I'll go ahead and make this, or the larger breakfast casserole. Stir it around, make sure all the pieces are submerged under the egg mixture. You don't want any popping up. You want everything nice and well mixed. Take your time with that. And then you're going to go put it in the microwave and microwave it for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. If there's still liquid in the mug, microwave it for an additional 30 seconds. When it's finished, as you see here, the egg will have pulled away from the sides of the cup. For this video, I'm turning it out on a plate so you can see how it's a nice, well-formed little breakfast souffle, or you can enjoy this right out of the mug. If you don't want to add the salt and you want to add it afterwards, that works too. There is salt in the cheese and bread. You can double or triple this recipe, but I recommend adding the salt afterwards for each person to salt their own to taste. There you have it, Gutsy Cooks. An egg souffle that'll come out every time. You can use what you have. Today I had mozzarella cheese, so that's what I grabbed. I had turkey crumbles, so that's what I grabbed. But you can substitute these things to your own taste. You can also add a dollop of sour cream or salsa or whatever else you want to dress it up. So get creative and enjoy. Now go get gutsy. If you like this recipe, please subscribe. Thank you for your time and attention. Now go get gutsy.